Okay, guys, I'm back. I don't know what's wrong. It has to be the battery then, I would think. Because I had both of the cables off and I put them back on the battery and I made sure they were tight, they were on there right, and it still won't start. Only starts with a jump. So it has to be the battery. Even though they told me the battery's okay, there's something wrong. I know there has to be. And until I know what's wrong and I can get it fixed, I can't go nowhere. I can't. And I'm hoping to get it fixed. It isn't going to cost me much. And maybe somebody has the tools to test and see. Tomorrow I'm going to go do my laundry. And when it's jumped, when I jump it and I drive around with it and all, I can go to town. It'll start up again anytime. But it just, you know, overnight it dies. So I don't know. I mean, I have gotten some good suggestions, and I am going to go to AutoZone, and I'm going to have them test the alternator and the voltage regulator, and let me know if that's possibly it. Also, I need to have them check the battery again. It has to be something there. There's something there that's not right. And if when I put on the cables back on the battery and it still won't start, and I know they're on tight, and I know I checked them, made sure, and it still won't start, there's something seriously wrong. And what, I have no idea. So, see, I'll let you hear. Maybe you can hear. See? It won't do anything. And I just try to turn it on. Won't do nothing. I'm sorry. Oh, and that bag there. That bag? That's where I have to put my garbage at. Because Minnie Chi is my garbage picker. She gets into the garbage all the time. It just seems like she knows how to get into it. So, anywho, that's why that's up there. It looks nasty, but I don't care, you know. Right now, it's better that than her get up there and take all the garbage out. I have to put garbage out almost immediately after I put something in the bag. If I don't put it up there and I walk out of the van, she will get into it. Never fails. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to update you on what's going on with the van. And I did put all my information on the description. Also, I will do it again, and let's see what happens. I know I need help, and I am one that don't like to ask for help, and you all have taught me a lesson, that if you need help, you should ask. So I'm asking. Oh, geez. Okay. Let's see what happens. I love you all. Take care. Peace, hugs, and lots of love. Lots of love to each and every one of you. And there's my hand. Oh, God. Okay.